Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build an Arduino traffic light. First things first, you need 4 male-to-male jumper wires. You need 3 LEDs in the colors red, yellow and green. And then you need 3 resistors. 220 ohms would be perfect. So, let's get started. As you can see, we have a black cable for the ground and then red, yellow and green for the LEDs. So, the black cable we put in the ground pin and the other end of the black cable goes to the negative line. And on the negative line we have a resistor that is attached to any line we want. And at the end of the line we put a red LED. At the other end of the red LED we put the like on the same line, we put the red-orange cable to the pin number 13, and then we put another resistor at the same line where the orange and red LED are connected, and connected with the yellow LED. And on the other end of the yellow LED we do the same as we did with the red LED. We just connect the other end of the red LED of the yellow LED with the yellow cable and put it and plug it in pin 12. And the same for the green LED. But in my case I used the white cable instead of a resistor because I only had 2 resistors. So yeah, but you can use a resistor too. And then you just put the end of the LED, connect with the green cable and put it to pin 11. So let's see if it works. I'm gonna plug it in to the power. Ta-da! It works like a normal traffic light. Stop, wait, go. And now I'm going to show you the code that is needed for this project. And I also did it in a pattern, like in a normal traffic light. Go to the coding section. Go to your Arduino IDE and make sure it's on the most recent version. So everything will work fine, and I'm going to put a time lapse. This is the program code for the project. The only thing left is to upload it to your Arduino, and then it should work. So I really hope I could help you with this video, guys. If so, I would appreciate it if you leave a like and maybe some feedback down below in the comments, and suggest me some new projects I could work on the Arduino or the Raspberry Pi. Until next time, bye. With